I heard voices outside. Who are you speaking with?
Please, Chizaram, not this time.
You said I should stop eavesdropping on your conversation and I should stop meddling in your affairs. I am trying to obey you now and you're obviously not helping matters.
What exactly are you doing now if not meddling?
How can I not meddle when I see my big sis, my only sister, in a chit chat with a terrorist?
Oh, so you were eavesdropping on my conversation again?
This is not time to play big sis. You need my gifted sense and my sharp brain now. You have to run away from that Ibigwe and you must return everything he gave to you.
Are you okay? Did I tell you I was planning to marry him?
Do I know? You know how you girls like vanities. And your Ibigwe is not just vanity. He is the exact definition of the word.
Later now you say you have sense, that you're gifted. Why would you refer to him as my Ibigwe? Have I told you that I'm in a relationship with him?
I just made a point and I know you understand what I mean. Wait a minute, Gladys. I want to understand something. Are you claiming to be more intelligent than me?
Chizaram, you claim to be gifted, but it's obvious you know nothing.
I beg your pardon. Why are you insulting me? Why will you say I know nothing?
If you know something, Chizaram, you will allow your sister to be with Egbigwe. Do you even know the man before?
Who is he? For all I care, that so-called Egbigwe is a terrorist.
What do you mean? Do you even know the meaning of the word terrorist?
Gladys, your welcome has long expired. If you are in love with Egbigwe, you can go and marry him. Or as well, take your mother, take your sister, go and marry him.
Chizaram, this man you're talking about can change your life.
You're stupid. It's you and your entire generation that Egbigwe will change their life. Now get out of this house before I unleash my anger on you.
Okay, suit yourself.
Idiot.
What is it? Why are you looking at me like that?
Aban,
Eh?
does it ever occur to you that many of these people who claim they love you do not love you at all?
Oh, Billy, what are you talking about? Nobody has claimed to love me yet. As a matter of fact, I have been the one looking for love, but I have not even managed to find one.
Aban, I've told you. You cannot find love here. You cannot find love here. You see these women, they don't know the meaning of love.
Billy, you know I would always disagree with you when it comes to that because I know that you're not in good terms with the women of your land. So you will always talk down on them at every given opportunity, and it's not good.
Is that what you think?
That's what it is.
That I'm talking down on them?
But it is what it is now. Billy, as a matter of fact, I'd advise that you begin to develop interest in one of them because your future lies with them here.
Aban, are you insulting me or what? How can you say that my future lies with women?
Calm down. Calm down. You're vibrating this way because you are yet to understand the role of a woman in a man's life. The moment you understand the role of a woman in a man's life, you stop talking down on women. Take it easy, my brother.
I understand, Aban. If you know these people, I know these people.
Ebere, you really have to make this easy for me. What's the problem?
Egbigwe has refused to accept his gifts back. He said I should consider marrying him, that he must marry me.
Is he mad? Is it by force to get married to him?
Mirabel, I'm scared. I'm really scared. That guy is dangerous.
He's not the only one who is dangerous. Come on, Ebere. Is this why you're looking like a living dead? He can only wish, but he can never force anyone to be his wife.
He has gotten away with so many atrocities in this village. Hey, of all the young women in this village, why would he remember me? Why would he choose me?
And I'm telling you, this should not be a topic of discussion. Ebere, Egbigwe can never force anybody to be his wife. Please change discussion. Oh. It's just simple as that. Did you buy that thing I asked you to get for me?
Me. First thing first. Have you heard that Egbe have been sending gifts to Ebere over 1 month now? Me. I heard that all the men in town has been flocking around her. In fact, she is every man's dream now. Oh, where was the baby Oko in town?
Wait. Is this why you are sitting on my couch and taking my drink? So I went all out to make you this comfortable, only to hear how men are all over Ebere and worshipping her? Eh?
But I gave it to you how you want it. Like, I delivered it to you how you want it. This is the only news in town, and I'm giving it to you first class. Amaka, this is VIP message. I'm delivering it to Amaka the VIP.
You are very stupid. I want you to give me information that can help me destroy that Ebere. And you are here saying nonsense?
See, when they be coming down. Be coming down now. We are still on the same track. It's just that you are not sharp enough. You do not sharp to work with my information.
Get out. Get out of here.
At least, let me finish my drink.
Blessing, if you don't leave my house this minute, you will not like what I will do to you.
Hey! Amaka, how dare you? So you want to insult me because of ordinary drink? How dare you? Wait, why are you even pained? Let me ask you. Why are you pained, this girl? Yes, because I told you the truth. Am I the one that made Ebere more beautiful and classier than you?
You are very stupid. Thunder will fire you. In fact, for saying this thing, you're a very big fool. An idiot. If you don't leave here this minute, I will give you a very hot slap.
I can't try.
I said leave my house. I said I will leave. I said leave my house. Leave my house. Go. I said leave my house. You don't have information. You don't have information. Bring information for me. That will help me destroy this girl. Give me first-class information. It's the information that I want. Stop walking about and gossiping. Give me the information. I need information. If you bring information, come to my house. If you have information, come to my house. So this is why Ebiwe has refused to listen to me. After everything I have done for him, he chose that to do life over me. Ebere, I can never allow you to outshine me in this village. Never. She can never take what's supposed to be mine. I will do whatever it takes to make sure of that.
Hey, don't even try it. Don't try it. If I delete you from this ground.
It's not as if I want to run, but I forgot something. Let me go and get it.
Come here.
Hey, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Egbe. I forgot something in Amaka's house. Please, let me go and get it. Let's postpone this meeting. I'm coming.
Hey, come back. Hey, lean on the tree.
On this.
Lean on this tree, my friend.
I should lean here.
Lean on this tree.
Hey.
Why are you killing yourself slowly? I mean, why are you provoking me? Why will I tell you something and you will not do it?
Hey.
If you provoke me to the point I turn you off permanently,
Hey.
what is your game?
Don't turn me off permanently. I've not done anything wrong now. What have I done for you to turn me off permanently?
What did you tell Ebere?
Hey. God is my witness. I did not say anything bad to Ebere. I was only on your case. She was the one that was saying bad things about you. Oh. I didn't say anything bad to Ebere.
What did she say?
I was even scared. I was even shocked at her boldness. The way she was saying all manner of things about you. She was saying so many things about our almighty Egwigwe. She said that you are a terrorist. That you are an unfortunate thunder that can even strike the creator anytime, anywhere. She said that you are...
Hey, shut up! What did you say when she was saying all that?
Hey, I did not say anything. I thought it was a different spirit that entered her. I was confused the way she was saying so many things about our almighty Egwigwe.
So automatically you are telling me that you are a fool.
Hey.
You went to that place and you played the fool without delivering my message, right?
No. I delivered the important message, oh. I delivered the important message.
You delivered the important message?
Yes, sir.
Which is?
I told Ebere that Ebigwe wants her to be his second wife, sir.
Ah. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? You are such a useless specimen. With all this molecular structure you are carrying, must you tell her she will be a second wife?
Hey, what did I do again? Hey, what offense have I committed?
Why would you say second wife? Idiot! Why? Idiot!
But Ebigwe now, everybody in this village knows that you are married.
Shut up! So you cannot assume that Chief Big Daddy is not married. You know if you just assume. If I compose you, you slap. Come here. Come here.
Sir, please. Let me go and collect that thing. It will spoil, oh. My soup will sour.
This girl need beat.
My soup will sour.
Come on there. Which soup? You don't know you're already sour.
Soup is burning. Wait.
Which burning?
Hey!
Why you rush like those seeds?
You're going this way.
Are you a mustard seed?
You're going this way.
This way.
Oh, you're us? Big Daddy, just imagine. How can someone have plenty brain like that and it's not a function well?
You don't get brain. Everything deposited somewhere else.
Imagine.
Where's the brain?
Daddy, we need to look for another specimen. This specimen will kill our science.
Mimi, this one you came to visit me today. Am I safe?
Why are you talking like that?
Please sit.
You don't know you are my favorite among our friends.
So Mimi, how have you been?
I should be asking you that. You look refreshed and beautiful. You mind telling me what's going on in your life?
Well, nothing out of the ordinary. I've just been here.
From what I'm seeing, all this glow, please. You just look as if a strong hand, like, you know what I mean? A strong hand is holding you. So please, just tell me the truth.
Sister, please, I want to show you something inside. It's very urgent.
Whatever it is, I'm sure it can wait. I can't leave my friend here alone.
Your friend? This one?
Do you want me to slap you? Go inside and go and find something doing. Excuse us. What is the meaning of this?
Wait. Am I the one she's talking to?
No, I'm talking to your ancestors.
Don't be angry, please. Just ignore my sister.
Okay, fine. What's a friend for? You know I can take anything because of you. Tell me something. What's up? I heard that Amaka...
Are you here to talk about Amaka? Mimi, please leave.
What did I do wrong now? I just wanted to tell you that
I said please leave. My sister has something to show me. You heard her. She has to show me something important. Mimi, go now.
Wait,
Mimi, yes.
I should...
Yes, you be going. Mimi, thank you. Mimi, go now. Mimi, go now. Chizaram! Chizaram, come here! Chizaram.
You called me.
Sit. I can hear you now.
You know what? The more you dismiss me as a troublemaker, the more you walk deeper and deeper into this trouble. And as a sister that cares, it pains me in the heart.
Oh, wait. I am not even interested in this your sentiments nonsense right now. What's the meaning of this?
But I just wanted to...
You know what? I don't even want to hear it again. Ngwa, you can go.
It's not about me talking, no. It is about me getting something registered into my inner sense.
Your inner sense? This your inner sense, nonsense sense, flip sense, whatever it is sense that you have, I do not want to listen to it right now. I am done.
Sister, listen to me, oh. It will favor you. And remember, I am your sister and I deserve some respect from you.
Respect?
Yes.
Jesus. No, come. Come and take the respect. Ha. This girl doesn't know her mates anymore in this house.
Just the person I wanted to see.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see that stupid Ebere. I can't continue to allow her play with my friend.
Mimi, I don't understand.
I heard from a reliable source that Ebere is planning to arrange some boys to beat you up. I had to confront her. But guess what? When I did, this girl could not deny it. She told me to my face that when she finished dealing with you, you will run away from this village.
I, Amaka, run out of the village for Ebere. Ta!
In fact, I will teach that girl a lesson. You better attack her before she does so. Because from what I saw, what she told me, that girl is mean. She's very serious. So attack her before she does. She told me she would deal with you personally.
She should better get ready for what is coming her way.
I've ever seen. To come to this house alone to fight my sister, knowing full well that I am around. Do you want to die?
Both of you cannot do anything to me. In fact, I will beat you with one hand.
Amaka, if you know what is good for you, leave this place now.
I am not going anywhere. I am not going. In fact, I have come to warn you, to let you know that I know all your plans. If anything happens to me, I will deal with you personally.
Amaka, leave this place now before I eat you raw. You know you don't know what I can do. Leave now that my mood is still normal.
It's okay, Zara. I'm happier. Leave her. When she's done barking, she will leave.
Ebere, you are the one barking. In fact, your entire generations are dogs. Whoa. Yes, for planning this. Evil against me. Something
crush you! I told you to leave! I told you to leave! If I stand up, is enough! If I stand up from here, I will kill you! I will kill you!
What is this that I'm hearing? That you fought with Amaka in my own house?
To be honest with you, Mama, it's one of those things I don't have control over. I didn't realize that Amaka had such inferiority complex, and obviously I can't help her.
Point of correction, Mama. It was not sister that fought. In fact, we did not fight. I flogged Amaka until she was made to understand the meaning of seniority. Next time, if she sees us, she will run.
I don't understand.
Mama, Amaka came here raining curses and threatening. That was when Chizaram came and started fighting with her. I tried to separate them, but obviously Chizaram was not in a mood to be separated.
No, I don't understand. You, Zaram, you squared up to Amaka. How possible is that?
Mama, the problem we have with you is that you look down on us as if we cannot do anything. Your children are capable enough to handle such nuisance. Amaka is nothing.
Mr. Man, what is your problem? No, what is your problem? Why are you harassing me? Why do you think that the best way to live is to go around harassing productive businessmen and women, extorting money from them? What is your problem?
Listen to me. I know whatever thing they call you. You cannot come from wherever you are coming from and lecture me on how we are going to run our town. If you are not comfortable with what you are proposing, very simple. Leave this place and go back to your land.
You lie.
What?
I say you lie. Eh? For the land on which I work does not belong to you, so you cannot tell me where to stand or where not to stand, or where to open my shop or where not to run my business. You're disturbing me, this man. What is your problem? Hey, look at me very well. I am not faced by all of this thing. Dude, you will not move me. You see your stupidity and arrogance will not even move me one bit. Leave my place of business. You're disturbing me.
And if I should disturb you, what will you do?
What will I do?
Look at this. It is very clear you want to die, right?
Me?
You want to die, right? Because you don't know the man you are dealing with. Listen to me, Akpan. It is either you pay your tax or I will send out of this town. You want to bet me on that?
I pay my tax to the government and not to touts like you.
And here in Elna, I am the government. Listen to me, Yapan. It is either you pay or I am going to make you play with your life.
You know what? Oga?
Okay,
what I say? I don't understand what you're saying. Leave, don't come back here again. Don't come back here. Mabasi, if you come back to this shop again, Mabasi, I will cut your leg. Come back here again. Tout.
Come beg up and up.
What kind of nonsense is this now? Chief Tout. Look at the stomach.
I know you don't like me, but to be honest with you, I mean well. I came back here because of the love I have for your sister. I love her so much I can't see someone planning evil against her and allow that evil to befall her.
What exactly are you talking about? Who is planning evil against my sister?
I overheard Amaka speaking to someone on the phone. She promised to pay that person 20,000 naira if the person will rape your sister and beat her up.
You're not serious. Amaka is planning what?
Exactly what you heard. See, I came here because of that love that I've been carrying me around. That love I have for your sister. So, better go and tell your sister. Tell her to attack Amaka before Amaka attacks her. I know I'm close to Amaka. I know she's my friend, but I don't support evil. So, better talk to her. Tell her to attack before the attack will come to her way. I've said my own.
Thank you for the information.
she? What are you doing here?
Listen, Amaka, or whatever you call yourself. I am not here to fight with you or banter words with you.
But I am here to warn you to stay away from my sister. If anything
happens to my sister, you will surely go down.
So she's afraid of me after all. And she feels sending you can change anything?
For your information, she is not aware of my coming to see you.
Of course you know my sister is too classy to subscribe to this. My friend, she's not anything close to class. She is a low life. And better tell her to get ready for me.
It's like I need to refresh your memory a little.
The last time was preamble compared to what I have in stock for you.
If you know what is good for you, stay away from my sister.
If you as much as I have,
I will cripple the very essence of your existence. It is not a threat, but a statement of fact.
My friend, shut up! It is your sister I have issues with and not you. You think I'm afraid of you? I'm only ignoring you because we are not mates. Pull this stunt one more time and I will skin you alive.
What's the meaning of this?
Mirabelle. What is going on? We had a deal. I gave you a task and you started to avoid me. Who does that?
Ebigwe, I had no deal with you. I can never have anything with you. Stay away from me. I can never help you what you are looking for.
Are you aware you are playing with thunder? And that when it strikes, it is going to break you into smithereens. Are you not aware?
Your mind is not telling that you are God, Abi. Everyone should be scared of you. Well, for your information, I, Mirabelle, I can never be scared of you. Everywhere, bring it on.
No, am I the one you are talking to with this tune? You want me to kill you?
Kill me. Everywhere, you kill me. Look, I am waiting for you to make one mistake that will affect me in any way, or anyone connected to me. I promise you will not survive it.
Are you mad? I mean, are you high?
I may never be this gay again, but let it happen, and you will really know who is in charge of violence in this kingdom. Rubbish. Stop me again. We got an eye.
Amaka, as you can see me, I am not here for a friendly talk. So keep your pleasantries all to yourself. Where is your daughter, Amaka?
She went out. Hope there's no problem.
There is plenty of it. Why should I look happy? Tell your daughter to stay away from my daughter. Tell her to leave her alone. Tell her to stay away from my daughter. If anything, the least of it should touch my daughter, I will set some people ablaze and I will ensure they all burn to death.
Amaka, Biko, wait to be one name. Calm down and talk to me. You know what? Okay, let's go.
No, please. Go where? Ask your daughter why she's threatening my daughter. Ask her what my daughter ever did to her. Tell her to be careful. Ask her why she is arranging men to come rape my daughter. Maybe indirectly, she's not a rapist. I don't know the kind of woman that should arrange such evil for her fellow woman. Hell! Just warn her. Tell her to stay away from my children. Tell her to stay away from my daughter.
Yeah.
Hell!
Amaka, and when you make you boom, no why you cannot kill me. You cannot kill me, you this girl. You got here boom. Just check it, but I just come back. I'm waiting for you in this house. Maybe. Help. Check it, Papa. Jukwese, I called you here because I'm scared.
First lady, how can you be scared? See, you are the wife of the president of this town. A man that everyone is scared of. Even the king is scared of your husband. See, let me tell you, the real president of this town is in your husband's pocket. Usually they look me, the real president is in your husband's pocket. So why are you scared?
I am scared because Akpan, the electrician from Ikota Yabasa, he was here today.
First lady, you mean that Akwa Ibom dog? No, the same fool will lock his shop today. See, even as I speak with you now, the key is in your husband's pocket. Now, it's in your husband's pocket. See, be grateful we don't eat dogs. Yes! If not, you for don't use the flesh. They prepare onugbo soup. In fact, some of the flesh was still day free now, they cold. You go feel say na cow meat. You know, say Akpan yellow like woman cow. Leave that matter, not let Akpan fear you here. Now that one is man, flajamu.
He has already opened his shop.
Don't say.
As I'm speaking to you now, that shop is open.
Don't say.
Yes.
Who told you that?
He came here today. He came to warn my husband to stop meddling in his business. If not, he will kill him.
Wait, you mean that Akwa Ibom dog get the mind, enter this compound, enter Big Daddy First lady, why now? Why you not call? No, wait till this life they live. If not to the answer, Big Daddy call. And as you just see me like this, so which kind of life I get? If not to the answer, Big Daddy errands. You for ring my phone, first lady. Eh? I'm a local dog, na a cookie. The dog never bath well.
He came prepared. He came prepared. I'm scared though. He's ready to fight my husband. He's ready to challenge Iwegwe. That if Iwegwe fails to leave him and his business, that he will kill him. I don't want to lose my husband.
First lady, anyway, now woman you be sure, but I'm not gonna like to tell you everything me and your husband they do for us. You don't understand. But man, I just tell you small thing. You see that your husband when you marry, nothing they fear kill him. Even death, they fear your husband. Yes. If death see a big way for these streets, death go past 10 streets after these streets. God will create all of us, they fear your husband.
Hey.
God they think what he go create where go in case when your husband not ready to die, they think what he go take kill him. So not be local dog like Akpan. Not be local dog, but you see this information when you tell him so thank you, I will pick it up from here. Wash. You go see a burial poster. You need that color, the black and white. You see the poster for the community.
I don't want you to kill him for me. Just save my husband.
No! I mean, your husband go save me. You know how many times your husband don't save me? Just relax. I go handle the issue.
Well, I specifically selected the three of you and asked you to come here because I believe the three of you will understand how I feel about this. I think it's high time we stopped Ebwigwe from treating all of us as though we are still infants that suckles on our mother's breasts. Or am I the only one that feel like enough is enough? Mai?
And what do you suggest we should do?
Stand up to him, squarely, face him fearlessly, and ensure that he stops intimidating, maltreating, and stealing from this community in the name of a youth leader. Come to think of it, guys. Think. That buffoon, that charlatan is not even a youth. So why shouldn't we stand and fight him?
It's not like we don't know all the atrocities he has been committing. Ebigwe has been committing in this land. But it's obvious that none of us can fight him. Is it me, you, or you? No one can fight him. He is more powerful and richer than us.
You lie. What riches? What power? What influence? I can't believe you. Who made him rich? From the money he stole from us? The money he made from selling community lands? People! Can I bust you bubbles? Are you aware that Ebigwe, that rascal, has made over 200 million naira?
What?
Yes, by selling our community lands.
And the king and elders in council has not done anything. He was practically the one who buried the President General's mother. It's obvious that one will not do anything.
Of course. He will not or may not do anything. But we can. Alright? It's high time we bypassed those old men and faced our enemy. Ebigwe is our enemy and we must rise up against him. We must stand up to him. We must fight and we must reclaim our land from the hands of that charlatan, that buffoon. We can sit down. Feel my spirit, people. Feel it. What do you say?
Hero, what's up now? Hi, David.
Nelson Mandela, Afana.
You don't be for it today.
What is the meaning of this?
Hey, see, listen. Since you have refused to mind your business in this town, we are going to send you to early grave today.
Please, youths of Enu Abomimi, I beg you. I don't want problems. Just clearly me go.
Go, shut up. Where you go? See, the only place where you go, na heaven. And that's the only place where fools like you, where don't refuse say they don't go by the attitude they go. See?
Get it!
Hello? You know how stubborn your brother can be. I have done everything that I need to do as a wife, but he will not listen to me. You know he will not listen even if you call him. I am thinking you should come back. Yes, someone have to come back and stop him before he kills himself. He believes he has boys that can die for him. But forget same boys can turn back and harm him. I think something have to be done immediately. Please, you have to help me. Please.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Ebigwe is very dangerous and not to be played with. I don't know why you don't want to listen to me.
But somebody has to stand up to that fool. Somebody has to withstand him, else he will destroy everything we have as a people. I mean, come to think of it, what kind of a human being sells community lands and pockets the money? Who does that?
I know someone needs to stand up to him, but not my man. I'll not allow you to involve in this matter again.
Nothing will happen to me. I will face Ebigwe man to man. I am no coward. No.
That you managed to outrun his assassins today, it doesn't mean you'll succeed the next day. Leave that fool alone. The system will ultimately stop him when the system so decides.
And I am telling you, Mirabel, that we are the system and we will stop him.
Listen, Ebigwe, I can pretend not to see all the abominations you have been committing in this village. But if you as much as look at my man wrongly, let alone pull the stunts you pulled today, I will show you the fury of a wounded woman.
You're very stupid. Go back and warn your so-called man. Let him learn how to mind his business. He was able to escape today. Next time, he will not be this lucky. I'm telling you, he will not.
So you're not even denying it. You are confirming you are the one who sent those useless idiots to kill my man.
I don't understand. Have you forgotten I am still that same Ebigwe that even the men in council dread? Who the hell are you to think that I'm going to deny anything before you? You see that your so-called man, he was able to escape today by the whiskers. The next time, he will die by the whiskers.
Listen, Ebigwe, I will not warn you again. Leave my man alone. Don't pray to witness the anger of a wounded woman.
You are very stupid to say that. You have not even been wounded yet. By the time I wound you, you will feel the wound. Listen, I am still tolerating you because of a bear, who is my babe, who happens to be your friend. The next time you will try this, you will not even see where your corpse is deposited. Can you see Anima?
I will respond to that when the response comes.
Can you see the just imagine? There is something about this girl that I'm still not able to unmask. She speaks with so much confidence and she has this aura that exhibits a woman of war. But a day is coming when I'm going to arrest that her aura. I will kill that aura and then I will kill her after. Nonsense.
Oh, Mama, why would you wake me at this ungodly hour? You know sleep means a lot to me now.
I missed it. Amaka, use your tongue and count your teeth.
Mom, I can't remember doing anything bad.
Mami Bere came here today. Amaka, why will you go to their house and display such show of shame in their house? Huh? Is this how I raised you? Amaka, what has come over you?
You see, this is what I don't like. Did you ask her what her daughter did that prompted me to do what I did to her?
Whatever she did. For crying out loud, Amaka, you are a woman. And no man on this earth will accept to marry any woman that walks around fighting and making trouble. Amaka, you don't know I cannot want a cable. Oh? Look. This life you're living will not help you. You have to retrace it before it is too late.
Mama, I did nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Please, I want to go and sleep.
You want to go and sleep? Amaka.
Listen. Amaka, stop doing things that will provoke me. Stop it. If you provoke me, you will not like how I will handle it. Are you listening to me?
Get angry and slap me, Ebigwe. I
cannot believe you chose that low life over me after all I did for you, after all we shared.
Will you just shut up before I slap you for real? Look at her. Now listen to me. Bella is the one I want to make my wife. And people like you must get it into their heads. Stop messing things up for me. If you as little as I have, you will not like how I will handle it. In fact, you will regret it.
You cannot do anything to me, Ebigwe. You're a bastard. I cannot believe you chose that low life over me. You're an ingrate, and I will make you pay for it, Ebigwe. I will make you pay for it.
Ivolosa? Ebigwe, you're
a bastard! You're a bastard! Yes. You bastard.
Useless Amaka is now calling me a bastard to my face. Amaka. Okay, we shall see.
I cannot believe Ebigwe will do this to me after everything. Just because of that fool.
You have to stop agonizing over that fool. That will amount to making him relevant. And that is not what we are supposed to be doing now.
Even if it means going beyond the sea, I am ready to make Ebigwe and Ebere pay.
That's the spirit. You have to make them pay.
But why is Ebere getting so much attention from men? Something I always wanted. I have worked hard for what she's getting for free, and it pains me greatly.
Now you are beginning to understand the real deal. Fools who enjoy unmerited favors should be put in their places. And Ebere is the first. You have to make her pay.
How dare you, Elizabeth? How dare you call anybody and start discussing my personal life? How I live my life? Why must you call anybody to discuss it? Why?
The person I called is your sister. And don't blame me for trying to save my husband.
Save your husband from what exactly? Why are you provoking me, Elizabeth? Why?
You can read all the meanings into this. But deep inside your heart, you know the truth. These people are planning your destruction. And the best thing you need now is to make more friends, not more enemies.
I am okay with the friends I have. I don't need more friends. And if anybody has decided to become my enemy, then I am the person's enemy too. It's not my business. Now listen. You see, today, you are going back to Mpo, and you are going back to Mpo today. Don't go get
and leave my husband here to be killed. I am not going anywhere. I am not leaving this house. I don't want to be a widow now. I don't want to be a widow.
You don't want to be a widow? Who is feeding you with all these negative, all these nonsense narratives? Who told you there is anybody who can kill this man here? Let me tell you something. Nobody can kill this man that is sitting down here. Nobody. Nobody can kill me. Mark it somewhere.
No problem. I need to stay back and ensure that. And do not force me to go back to all unless you'll be carrying my corpse. I am not going anywhere.
I'm here because I care. Even when you refuse to see it. Look, Amaka, I care about you and I wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
Blessing, please, can you say what you have? I don't have all day.
Well, I had a dream. And in that dream, I saw police convoy taking you away. Yes. And one of them said, it's either they'll kill you or they sentence you to life in prison.
God forbid. It is you who will be killed or your body sentenced to life in prison. See, if you don't have a job, just tell me and I will create one for you. Nonsense.
Hey! The angels in heaven and all the people in heaven will bear me witness that I have delivered this message to you. Eh? And I dust my feet and live in peace.
The same heavenly people will equally bear me witness that the next time you try this rubbish, you will never live here in one piece. Useless gossip.
Your Majesty, it had just been uploaded on our platform that Ebigwe was arrested by the police. Were you the one who made the case against him?
You pleaded with me that we should leave him.
Of course.
You gave me the assurance that you are going to handle the issue.
Yes.
So I left the case in your hands. I don't have anything to do with his arrest.
If you are not the one who ordered his arrest, then who could have done that?
I don't know. And in all honesty, I don't want to be engaged in this discussion.
Big Daddy, sorry for the stress. But see, we need to teach that Uche boy a lesson. I mean, for using the police to arrest you, I still went ahead to put it on the general platform. Now fuck up now, it's unacceptable.
Jukwese, I want you to forget about Uche. Uche is a riffraff, shush rat. Look at Uche. You know he's one of those fools who keep believing that they will go to heaven. Every other person will go to heaven, but Uche will not go there. I will stop him myself. You know, why I am not going to deal with him is because of the advice given to me by my friends in the police department. The same ones that released me almost immediately. They told me that I should allow the young man. That if I do anything now, it will be suspicious. I mean, people will be able to know that it has something to do with me. So we are just going to allow him to be living his life as if all is well. Then we are going to strike him when he has forgotten about everything. You know, revenge, eh? Revenge is one meal that will taste better when served cold. It will revenge cold like this or bad money. What I mean?
Big Daddy. Now because of what you talk, Sha, if not, I don't plan as I come on here so and boys bougie, you will see where they go carry casket, they dance around this community. I mean, what you do now? You reach ready to kill everybody around there, even the goat and dog where they stay around the compound. Which kind of rubbish? Which kind? You not just get fear. You call police arrest my Big Daddy. No, what did they try achieve? You go put that for platform. It won't dent your image. If they see a word we don't get for things what we don't say.
He cannot. Who be Uche to dent my image? My image is very long. You know, with that image. You see, I have identified one land down Ogunkwo. Wonderful parcel of land. That land is the only land that belongs to his family.
Only land.
This week, I am going to sell that land and render him landless in this town.
Big Daddy, landless. Correct. Very soon with a song like "This world is not my home, I am just." That would be so devastating to them. Big Daddy, this calls for celebration. I need to drink.
Somebody will die in that family when that land is sold. Because I will sell it, and once I sell any land there, that land is sold. And then somebody will die, and I will still go to that family and give them one cow.
And you know the worst thing? I go block his spirit for road. I go beat her better. Big Daddy! Now you.
Just like that? You mean they released him just like that after all the evidence that were provided for them? That evidence is good enough to send him away for a long time.
Mirabel, it is still too shocking for me. It's now obvious that Ebegbe is working with some people in positions of authority.
Exactly. If not, why would they let him go?
Ebegbe, if you think this is over, then you sure underestimated me. I will come for him. I will hit him so hard when he least expects me. Trust me.
Uchi, my love, my sweetheart, please leave that man alone. I can't bear it if anything happens to you. My love. Love of my life.
It's alright. It's okay. Nothing will happen to me, okay?
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I still don't know why you still say no to Akpan. I mean, that guy has done nothing but help our youth by training them in his craft for free. It is true, many women accuse him of womanizing, but I'm yet to see that.
Well, that's because you don't want to see it. For every rumor, there's an atom of truth. They just can't accuse him like that.
You forgot that good-looking people tend to have more enemies most times.
Well, I don't care what you say. I, Ebere, will never date Akpan. Why are you looking at me like that?
What if he's not coming to date you? What if he's interested in making his wife?
Well, you know the answer to that already. I will never marry a chronic womanizer. Please, can we change the topic?
And they are here. The beautiful one. Ebere, my queen, my one and only. How are you today?
Leave me alone. I am not your queen and I will never be. Go back to your wife. She needs you.
Ebere, why do you keep sounding this way? Even when you know that I love you, don't bother yourself about my wife. She knows about us. And she knows that we are in love. She has no problem with you being a co-wife.
That's Fiakwa.
What is the Fiakwa?
Is she that classless? I can never be your wife. May the gods forbid.
Come on, my love. You don't have to talk that way. Listen, I want you to look at the big picture. Okay, look at it this way. This man standing here is going to be the next king of this kingdom. And you are the one I want to make my queen when the time comes. The one who will sit and reign with me.
If you like, be the next god. I will never be your wife. Leave me alone.
Can even a wozy? Kevin, a woman. Manandi Aquara, Meche.
Have you found out what the problem is?
Oh, well, my king, I have. I'd like to say, Your Majesty, that it's really not in my character to condemn another electrician's work, but what I found out was too much.
He was sounding as though everything is bad there.
It is really bad, my king. As it stands right now, we'll have to change. The entire wiring system was terribly done. The truth is that what I found out was that they used very substandard cables to do the wiring system, and it has to be changed, else we run the risk of having that place going up in flames anytime soon.
I gave them 4.7 million naira to buy those wires. How can they buy substandard wires for me?
Greed. Greed, Your Majesty, that happens to be our biggest problem in this part of the world, greed.
That's okay. So what do we do to solve this problem so that there will be proper light at the new complex?
What I have done is to disconnect the entire complex from the mains. And I also spoke with the complex manager. I told him not to allow any solar power to come into the complex now until we change the entire wiring unit. I also told him that we cannot use generators there for now, just for safety. So that's where we are now.
It's okay. I think I would want you to give me a quotation. Okay. I want that job to be done immediately.
It's fine, my king.